Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make pineapple jam that you can use in pine tarts, or if you want to use it on your bread or biscuit, however. So this is what it looks like, and let's get into it. First you're going to do is chop and clean your I'm going to say watermelon, but into these big chunks, and then you blend it in your blender. Do not add any water, it's going to get liquidy all on its own. And you just do it in 2 batches to make sure. This is a whole pineapple, by the way, and don't do it so that it can be watery. Just leave it with little chunks in it, not a lot, so the consistency will look like this. Now you're going to pour it into a pot, and you light your stove, and when it starts to bubble you add your sugar and a cinnamon stick. Now we will boil this until all the liquid reduces, and then you have lovely jam that tastes wonderful. So if you like your jam a little bit on the sweet side, you can add a little more sugar, but this was just the perfect taste, and you wouldn't regret if you used this direct recipe. When it is finished, you try to fish out the cinnamon stick because we don't need it in there after the cooking process is done. And then you bottle your jam and use at your convenience. I'm going to be using mine in a pine tart recipe, so look out for that. Thanks for watching guys, and as always, please remember to click the like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Cheers.